Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. I have a penny dime signal. Let's get it. 1 inch. 1 inch. Don't see anything. It's gotta be can slaw. Oh, yep, it is. Can slaw. Oh, that's slag. Aluminum slag. I have a jumpy signal. Goes from nickel to tab. Nickel. Let's get it. Can slaw maybe? 4 inches. 3.5 inches. Right here. Can slaw. I don't think it's anything more than that. Pull tab maybe? Yep, there it is. 1 pull tab. One's like 25, 26. It's pull tab. I have a dime signal. 72, 73. Let's get it. Very small target. 3-4 inches right here. Alright, it's in the scoop. Oops. Shake, shake, shake. One dime. Into the pouch. I have a miscellaneous quarter signal. I don't think I've ever seen that. Let's get it. 4.5 inches. 3 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. Bottle cap. Maybe I have seen that. Miscellaneous to quarter. I have a 13-14 foil signal. Let's get it. Four inches right here. Can slaw? Sure is. It's a good one. Into the pouch. Is that Mountain Dew? Where'd it go? There we are. Alright, another dime $half signal. Let's get it. See what kind of bottle cap this one is. Now it's calling it a quarter. But it's 80. I don't think I've ever seen an 80 quarter. Shake, shake, shake. Sounds like a quarter. Man, if that isn't the reddest quarter I've ever seen. Into the pouch. I have a jumpy signal. Let's get it. It's a sharp signal. About 1 inch right here. Whew, it's hot. Shake, shake, shake. One jumpy bottle cap. True independent. Never seen that one before. It's got a devil. Into the pouch. 5 nickel. Let's get this pull tab. 4 inches right here. There it is. That Michelob. Yep, into the pouch. Signal. 73, 74. 3.5 inches. 1.5 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. I don't hear it. That's not good. And drop it. I think it's right here. Hear it. Was there ever a dime? That's gonna bug me. Did I miss it? Both times? Still coming up as a dime. Oh, I just saw it. It was on its side. There it is, into the pouch. That was weird. I have a miscellaneous signal, 40 to 44. Let's get it. That is big. I think it's just under the surface. Car. A car. I have a miscellaneous, well, a jumpy signal. Let's get it. Saying it's right there, right under the surface. Shake, shake, shake. All right, Michelob Ultra. Welcome to the wrap-up. I had a fun day at the beach with the TreasurePro. There weren't too many targets, but I was outside and I had a great time. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.